this. Grandpa wrapped this. Man.
What do you see, Ridge?
Alright, more trash. I got it. Yeah, what is that? Look at the front.
other side.
Look here. What is that? Looky there.
Who is that?
Yeah, who is that? That Elmo.
Is that Elmo? Pull this. Pull it. Good. Yeah. Let's see if we can open it. Do we have a knife?
Here.
Yeah, up there.
Right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was nice. Do it again. You press his
Squeeze his
nose.
nose. Yeah, squeeze it. Oh, God.
Is it funny?
Push his belly. Push his belly button. Push his belly button.
Right there. Push it.
Don't get too far from me, Mom.
Is that funny? Yeah. You want to pick him up?
Pick up Elmo. Pick him up. Yeah, pick him up.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can do it.
You can pick him up.
You can do it that way. Yeah.
Yeah, pick him up by his waist.
Any way you want.
By his arms.
Grab
Pick him
his
up.
hands. Pick him up.
Yeah, pick him up by his hand.
That's it.
Yeah. Elmo's heavy, isn't he?
That's Elmo.
Push his nose.
Elmo laughing. Say thank you, Uncle Jay and Aunt Michelle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was going to try to get this.
Big Butt! Elmo got so excited, he fell over.
Elmo got so excited he fell over.
Can you help Elmo up, please?
Can you
Can you help Elmo up, please?
Can you help Elmo up? Can you pick him up?
He has, this is not hard, thank you. You know, that's good. Elmo has an itch on Elmo's back. Can you help Elmo scratch it?
Look at
You gonna put him in the chair?
That's it. Put him in a chair.
Where did it go?
Press him on a toe.
Easy. A third pig made a house out of pretzels. Then a big wolf came down and saw the
That's
house.
impressive.
He huffed. And he puffed.
He don't shut up. He says, okay.
That's enough.